how to make butterfly out of shrink paper. Hi everyone, it's Yushin. Welcome back to another craft video. We'll be making a butterfly out of shrink paper today, and the material that we'll be needing is listed here. We are going to start by drawing out the butterfly, and using a ruler we are going to try and make it symmetrical. The butterfly is then being traced onto a shrink paper using purple crayon, and then the butterfly is being colored in. And I colored the wings using chalk pastel, the bottom two being purple, the top one being pink. And then the ink is being used to trace on top of the colored pencil. You can use ink directly. I was a bit afraid of making mistakes using ink, so I used colored pencil first and then I traced on top using ink. And then the butterfly is being cut out using a pair of scissors. The next step is using a heat gun to shrink the shrink plastic. And while it's still hot, you're going to press it down using a flat material to flatten out the shrink plastic. Make sure that it's perfectly flat. And next you're going to glue the wing with the body of the butterfly. You can have it at any angle you want. The middle part of the wing is being glued behind the top and the bottom. And after you glue all the wing together, you're going to coat the whole thing with resin. Next, you're going to make the butterfly's antenna using wire by dipping it into black resin. And that's all you have to do to make a butterfly.